In problem 3, we have 15 millimeters per microsecond to kilometers per hour. So I'm going to deal with millimeters changed to kilometers first. So we put millimeters on the bottom. Could put kilometers on the top if you know that relationship. Otherwise, go to the base unit. Our next step then would be to get rid of meters by putting them on the bottom, and on the top we'd have to put kilometers. Now we're ready to deal with microseconds because our millimeters have canceled, our meters have canceled, so we have kilometers, which is what we want. So now microseconds. So we got microseconds on top, so they'll cancel out the microseconds over here and put seconds on the bottom. Then we need to get rid of seconds and get to hours. You might know that there are 3,600 seconds in an hour, so I'm going to go ahead and abbreviate that. And that's it. Now maybe I shouldn't do that. We'll go back to minutes. So we'll put minutes down here. Then we'll put minutes on the top and hours on the bottom. All right, so we know which is bigger, a meter or a millimeter. Meters are bigger than millimeters, and there are 1,000 millimeters in a meter. Kilometers are bigger than meters. Put one with the big thing. 1,000 meters in a kilometer. Microseconds and seconds, we know that seconds are bigger, so put one with seconds. And a microsecond is a millionth of a second, which means that there would be 1,000,000 microseconds in 1 second. Of course, I think we all know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. And which is bigger, a minute or an hour? Be 1 hour be bigger. And we'd have 60 minutes in that hour. So that's your complete setup for problem 3. It's a little bit hard to see what's on top and bottom here, but it looks like that 1,000's on the bottom and that 1,000's on the bottom, but that million's on the top, so that would cancel out. So I really end up with 15 that is, 15 multiplied by 60 and multiplied again by 60. So using my calculator on the phone that you can't see, we get an answer of 54,000. I leave it as 54,000 because this number has 2 sig figs. 54,000 has 2 sig figs. Remember, the zeros on the end are not significant unless there is a decimal point. End of problem 3.